Okay, then image false, and then bring in one more true. Okay, so I'm going to have to rename this. Okay, let's copy one more, and the renaming is very important. Okay, this lock button is question 1A. This lock button is question 1B. This lock button is question 1C. Okay, and then I'm going to copy this and then place this. Since this is the question 2, I'm going to change the name for question 2A, question 2C, because C is the wrong answer. Question 2B. Okay, every log image have different names, so we can unlock it one by one, depends on the answer selected by the player. Alright, so every time when the player answer question number 1 which is wrong, okay, every time he goes to the UI, this UI, I'm going to use this event observer. Is it an event observer? No, it's not the event observer, it's the lock button. Okay, oh no, it's under the character single unlock. Okay, and then we're going to, oh no, not this one. Okay, where is it? Character pattern, multi unlock. I'm kind of lost here. mm, Single unlock, is this the one? Character, no, I'm not going to unlock character. I'm going to unlock the button, lock button. Okay, maybe let me think. Is this the logic button? Game over, redirect? No. Okay, every time he goes there. Ah, yes, this one under the logic. Too many locks button, confusing. Okay, we are not going to unlock character. We're going to unlock any button. Okay, since this is a question answer for question 1A, which is wrong, so I'm going to unlock the question 1A. Okay, and then don't forget to bring in the next button here, because every time he answer A, it will brings you here, and then he need to press the button to move to question number 2. So let's bring in the navigation button, and then I'm going to click and drag the next question and bring it here. Okay, this should be in the center, 320, maybe 1500. Okay, and then copy this, paste, copy this, paste. Okay, no matter what is your player answer, he always goes to question number 2 if he press the next question. And then change this we need to bring in, okay, just copy this to question 1, question 1b. Okay, copy and paste question 1, question 1c. Okay, so we need to do same thing for question 2. So simply copy this one and then don't forget to rename answer question 2a, answer question 2b and c. Alright, but don't forget to change which you need to unlock. Okay, this is no longer question 1, this is question 2a, question 2b and question 2c. Alright, let me save this quickly on my desktop because I'm going to share this file to all my YouTube viewer. Okay, I always provide BBDOC file for those who view my video tutorial on YouTube. That's the only good thing, I think. Save as Buildbox quiz. Nope, nope. mm, no. Buildbox trivia quiz tutorial. Okay, let me see before I show you the preview. Question 1, he answer A, he unlock A, he answer B, unlock B, answer C, unlock C. Every time he pick an answer, he will have a button which direct him to answer question number 2, and this is no longer a next question. This is, I assume you have 50 questions and just use your imagination that this is your 50th question and then your final answer, and then once you complete answering equation you will be direct to the C result. Okay, since this is only a sample, I only have 2 questions. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain over there. So simply change this to C result. I already have my button here, click and drag, Control C, delete, Control V, delete, Control V. Okay, every time he finish answering all questions, he can see the result straight away. So result page, result page, result page, then save one more time. Okay, let's see what happened. Play, start the game. Which one is correct? Blah 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 blah. If I answer B, next question. 1 plus 1 blah 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 blah. If I answer B, C result. Boom. Okay, here the problem is I need to put my lock button. Okay, the position is not proper. Okay, since I'm answering B is the wrong answer, so this X mark here is supposed to be here. So the only way for you to fix that is you need to bring this up by, I don't know how many pixel. Maybe let's try 15 pixel. 15 pixel. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5, maybe 25. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, let's do the preview and answer B again. B again. C result. Still not the correct position, so I think I'm going to bring it up by another around 15 megapixel more. 60, I mean 15 pixel. Okay, there's a big difference, pixel and megapixel. 15 pixel. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5. There you go. Maybe 5 more pixel. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, make it 890. 890. So this one have to be 890 as well. This one has to be 890 as well. But let's check the position for this one. This one seems to be correct. Okay, so let's try every answer. I'm going to start A for question 1, A for question 2, and see result. I have both wrong. Okay, menu. Okay, I need to put the button here, which brings you go back to the menu. I already have the menu image here. This is not the button. I simply go to the button and bring in the navigation button, and then rename this go to the menu. Go to menu. Alright, then don't forget the link, because once you finish you need to go back to the menu for maybe answering another 50 more question on, depends on whatever you want. Okay, you can see the blank hole here. Okay, leave it like this, because this log image we have over here, we only need them to indicate your answer. Because alright, we don't need them to be linked to any other world or UI. Alright, we just need them for the, we just need them for as an indicator to show your player which answer they answer, right, and then which answer they answer correct. Okay, let's try one more time. Play, start. Which one is correct? Okay, the answer is C, and then next question the answer is B, and then see the results. Well done, I have all correct. Okay, this is just a sample. If you want to make your quiz like 50 or 10 or 20, it's up to you. The only thing that you need to remember is, for every single question that you need to put in inside your game, if the answer is only A, B and C, okay, just imagine one question you need to provide all these 5: one world and 4 UI. Okay, that is if you have only 3 selective possible question. If you have more than 3, for example A, B, C and D, it's going to be more pages. Okay, more UI. Alright, so I'll just want to tell you that if you have one question, you need to prepare one world and 4 UI. Okay, if you have not 2 question, this image will double up. Right, I think that's all for my very simple basic Buildbox trivia game, or trivia or quiz app. Okay, I hope you learn something from it, and then you can have the bbdoc file from my YouTube channel under the subscribe page. Yes, I guess that's all. Thanks for watching, and bye.